In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover a WhatsApp account that has been banned. So the first step is to understand the ban type. So WhatsApp issues two different types of bans, temporary and permanent. Temporary bans typically last between 24 to 48 hours or a few days, while permanent bans are more severe and are harder to resolve. So number one, you want to go ahead and check the in-app message to confirm the ban type. So just make sure you determine whether you have a temporary ban or a permanent ban. So one good thing to do is to request a review via the application. So you can open the WhatsApp app and then enter your ban phone number. And then when prompted with the ban message, please go ahead and tap on request a review in the app and provide any relevant details or evidence to explain why you believe the ban was a mistake. For example, let's say you had no policy violations and you still got banned. Go ahead and mention that and explain why your account did comply with the WhatsApp terms of service. So if you have a temporary ban, one thing that you guys could do is actually reinstall WhatsApp. So go ahead and delete it and then download it one more time. That has been proven to work on some different occasions. So please go ahead and do that. And this may not work for permanent bans. So again, if you have a temporary ban, then I recommend you just uninstall WhatsApp and then reinstall it again. Another thing that you guys could do is to contact the WhatsApp customer support. So to do this, you want to go to the top right and select on these three dots just like so. Then go ahead and select on settings. Then go ahead and scroll down until you see help right over here. Then go ahead and select on help center. Once you're over here, you guys will now have this option that says contact us, and then from there you want to go ahead and explain to them your situation, explain to them that you firmly believe that your ban was not justified and stuff like that, and you basically just want to be as respectful as possible because these are going to be the people who are going to handle your account. And back to the temporary bans, if you have a temporary ban, this is pretty self-explanatory, but one thing that you can do is just wait it out. Just wait out the time a little bit and then you should be good to go. So if the ban is permanent and appeals fail, you may need to create a new account with a different phone number. Just keep in mind that you will lose access to old chats and contacts unless you backed it up, so please go ahead and do so. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.